Good afternoon, guys. It is 5:53 on the 5th of February 2026, and I have another Zuru product, a Rainbocorns Baby Mania. Over 3 surprises to hatch. Easter, methinks. Purchased by me this week. I do believe I've opened one of these guys with the horns, but not Baby Mania. But I could be wrong. I'll have to go back and have a look. Cheap, $12. They look fluffy, cute. I'm not sure about the horns. I get it. That's the whole theme of them, but it's a little odd. There is 7 to collect. Over 3 years old due to choking. There's a few numbers here and there. Not sure if any of them will tell you what's inside. On the back it says, life's always sunny side up in Exania. Crack open these mini eggs to find egg extra cuddly cuties hidden inside. Your new baby Exania plush comes with an adorable surprise waiting to be explored. Exaniacs, get ready and hatch them all. So yes, just in time for Easter. It is still February though. But let's open it up, have a peek. Okay, we're getting a zipper. Haven't had a good zipper for a while. Oh no. Alright, let's try it again. No. Okay. I just noticed there's tiny little love hearts and question marks in the eggshell. Oh my goodness gracious, get off. Okay, we'll just pop it. What did we get? Okay, the horn just stays there. I don't know what it's supposed to do with that. Alright, now look at the cheat sheet. Okay, cute, very fluffy and soft. Little baby. It's got wings. Looks like a bear with wings. Okay, let's have a look and see if he tells us. Oh, it's just pictures of the 7 to collect. That's the one we got there. Oh, okay. Polar. Oh, he's a polar bear. Okay. Polar bear. And his little surprise. And his Rainbocorn. It's going to be a sticker, I'd say. Or maybe 2. 2 stickers. Okay. We've got Aussie the koala. And what was this one called? Pink with a beak. Oh, Novi, the rare. Novi. Okay. Very cute. Would I give this to my niece? Yeah, she'd like this. It's cute. It's fluffy. Better than a chocolate egg. Most excitement maybe opening it though. Once you open it, I'm not sure. Collect them like beanies maybe and squish them. Squishies, squishmallows. That's what I'm thinking of. Squishmallows is a new thing. Yeah, very cute. Hand size, warm. Doesn't have a tag to hang. I need to think about doing that with these little size toys. Alright guys, I'm going to go. I've got a few more vids to get out there. So I'll see you all later. Bye.